This is my KDP AI Cracked review. This is a course by Dpap. He went from 0 to over 160 or 50 units sold in a matter of 2 weeks on Amazon KDP, selling nonfiction books. Not only that, I have a brand new piece of software that I want to give to you for free if you get the Papa via my page down below. And that piece of software is called Mecha Author. I created it to help you with the prompts within KDP AI Cracked. So make sure you check this review until the very end. I go over everything within this course to let you know, to inform you if this is right for you, because it might not be. Okay, so make sure you watch until the end. And the end, I'll talk more about my new piece of software, Mecha Author. Again, it's completely gonna help you with this course. So watch until the end. Okay, I'm inside KDP AI Cracked. It's a set of 9 videos, 10 videos, going over everything Dpap did to generate over, I believe, 200, 300. I'm not sure. Let's see. He got 18 sales here, 27 here, over 40, almost 45 here. He's sold hundreds of his book in a matter of 2 weeks. Okay, he's done all of this without knowing, without having any prior knowledge to Amazon KDP. I keep on telling you guys, Amazon KDP is the easiest money I've ever made, and Demetrius is just proving this fact. Okay. So yeah, I'm not going to click on the videos, of course, because that's giving away his knowledge. But he gives you a case study. He gives you each module. He gives you step-by-step instructions, all easy stuff, and he gives you the exact prompts he used to make this work. But I got something that's going to improve this. It's going to take this into the stratosphere. Excuse me. I created a new piece of software that perfectly complements this course. Okay, but before that, I want to go over the upgrades. Okay, upgrade number 1 is a done for you suite, a done for you package with over 350,000 PLR ebooks. One of his methods to create these nonfiction books via AI is using PLR. You can get that for 37 bucks. Limitless traffic. I use Pinterest traffic, and it's a good way to get traffic from Pinterest onto your Amazon KDP books. And OTO3 is kind of controversial, in my opinion. I don't recommend it because I do recommend it if you're going to go there and just learn from other people who are doing the same thing you're doing. 100% on board of that, but do not exchange review for review. I'm highly against it. Do not exchange review for review. Please remember that. If someone asks you, I don't care what group or wherever you are online, they ask you, hey, if you review something positive for my book, I'll do the same for you. Do not do that. That's against Amazon KDP's terms of service. And if they find out, they will terminate you in a blink of an eye. Really important, okay? So it's up to you, okay? Now, as for my bonus, you get my masterclass for my Mecha Author, my Mecha Author tool. Is this tool right here. It's a multi-part piece of software that once you have it onto your Google Chrome browser, it will actually take you step by step through the non-fiction AI book creation process. Exactly what you learn within KDP AI Cracked, my software will do for you. Okay, which is amazing. Okay, so your first thing you get as my bonus is the video explaining it. Of course, you get my software itself. You get the niche discovery wizard. That's the first prompt you get. That's part of the software. The next one is my title and concept generator. That's part of the Mecha Author software. You also get the book image and content prompt creator. And you also get my manuscript formatting master. Again, this is part of my Mecha Author software, okay? You won't find this software anywhere, okay, unless you go through this page down below. And of course, you get my 6x9 inch done for you book covers, okay? 6x9 is what's recommended, especially for Amazon KDP. The way Demetrius does it, okay? So if you're doing nonfiction, I recommend 6.9. If you followed me at all on my Amazon KDP journey, you know When it comes to mid-content books, it's 8.5. But when it comes to these smaller books or nonfiction books, you want to go 6/9. Okay, really important to remember. And you get all of this if you get KDP AI Cracked via this page. It's a very short review. Again, I'm promoting this product. I'm letting you know about this course simply because what Demetrius did in a matter of 2 weeks, and he's still doing, he's continuously posting on his Facebook. It's amazing. Let me show you right quick. Look what he's doing on his board right here. He's made 47 bucks here. Over 254 items sold, units ordered. He's continuously updating his results. Amazing stuff. Again, he's brand spanking new. That's him and his wife, him and his child at the beach. Here's more of his stuff, what he's doing. I'm telling you, this guy came out of nowhere. I mean, I've known Demetrius for a long time, but in the Amazon KDP world, he came out of nowhere and is creating quite a storm here of sales. So I highly recommend this product. I gave you my recommendations for the OTOs, and I'm telling you why. If you want to get this product and have a guaranteed assistant to help you, which is my software over here, by all means, get it through my page. Again, I also earn on Amazon KDP. I've been doing it for like 3 years now, a little bit over 3 years. So you want someone who actually does this, not only Demetrius, but you also get me. So see you inside and let me know what you think about my KDP AI Cracked review.